and rolling right now. Goodness gracious, it about woke me up out of my deep slumber. Alright, today I'm checking out Monster Truck. I'm listening to the song Sweet Mountain River. Let's get into it. Guys, now we are cooking with some fire. My goodness, what is this? Southern rock. Probably has a little bit of a southern sound. I don't know what exact subgenre of rock this is, but we are rocking and rolling right now. Goodness gracious, it about woke me up out of my deep slumber. As soon as the vocals came in, well, first when the music started, I was like, okay, we're definitely rocking, but I wasn't sure which way it was gonna go. I didn't know if it was gonna go more like slow and melodic or if they were gonna amp it up, which they ended up amping it up. But when the vocals came in, that was seriously shocking. That was seriously shocking. This dude can sing. He is bringing that southern, what I'm guessing is southern. He's bringing that southern heat. We'll just say that, but I don't know for sure if it's southern. Woo. That was intense. I was trying to listen to the lyrics, and I finally figured out what he was saying. He was saying, I haven't felt home in this city for so long. So now backtracking, putting it all together, because that clarity didn't come in until the end for me of what he was saying in the chorus. In the beginning, it was just like, I'm alone. I didn't know what he was saying, but I liked the way he sang it. Now, I'm trying to piece it all together backwards. Sweet Mountain River, da-di-da-di-da. Don't know what that's about. Sweet Mountain Lady, or whatever he was saying, that's about the girl in the video. So is he saying now that he met this girl in the video, that he deems to be a sweet mountain lady? Now he finally feels at home in the city? Because I could kind of resonate with the I haven't felt at home in this city in so long. You know what I mean? That's why we moved around so much. You want to live somewhere where it feels like home. But I mean, I've moved around a lot. I think he's talking about the same city. But for some reason now he does feel like he's at home. That's what he's hinting at. It's got to be the girl. Half the song is about the girl. I don't know what Sweet Mountain River is about, but I know what Sweet Mountain Lady is about. Is Sweet Mountain River just slang for the girl? You know what I'm saying? But at some reason he feels like he's at home now. But man, those pipes though? He's got pipes. He's got some pipes. He's flexing it.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like I don't know. But I don't know.